English is not my first language, mother tongue. So kindly forgive me for any grammatical mistake. There will be grammatical mistake in my speaking. So kindly bear with that. Okay. So now 28th, I suppose, there is a very big festival, especially for the Chaitanya Sampradaya, those who belongs to Chaitanya Sampradaya. Although in North there is Holi, of course, especially in Vrindavan, Vrindavan, Holi was started, Rang Panchami, Latmar Holi. If somebody fortunate enough to go to Vrindavan, especially to Varshana and Nandagram. Varshana is the place where Radharani lived, Nandagram is the place where Krishna lived. Now, even though they are leaving, but at least 5,000 years back they were that place. If somebody is fortunate, they can go there, but of course you need a lot of courage because they put gulal in such a way you will never experience that. And another thing is Latmar Holi. They bring a big bamboo stick, very big bamboo stick. It's a fun. The Nandagaon guys, Krishna's, they call themselves Krishna's Parivara. They come to Varshana to put holy, to kill holy खेलने के लिए, holy डालने, गुलाल डालने के लिए. Then there is a resistance from the Varshana guys. They don't allow to go to the inner chamber, kind of thing. So they have a bamboo, big bamboo. They marega. You're good if you're fortunate if you get a one lati, we don't know. Anyway, so entire North celebrates Holi color festival. And in Gaudiya Sampradaya, Bengal especially, in Chaitanya Sampradaya, for us that is a very important day. In fact, it's so important, it is as good as, not less than, as good as Krishna Janmashtami, because that is the advent of, again, Krishna in the form of a devotee. In the form of a devotee, and he is known as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Krishna Chaitanya, or Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or Gauranga. Nickname is Gauranga. That was his nickname because he had a golden hue. His bodily hue was golden, molten golden. So he was called Gauranga. So if you happens to go to Mayapur, which is north of Calcutta, 90 kilometers, there it's a very big festival. Anyway. Today we will discuss few things. Before getting into, voice is not clear. Am I shaking too much from the mic?
Should we give you the mic?
Oh, okay. Good. It should good. Now?
Is it clear now?
Is it clear? What do you have to do? Technology.
Prabhuji, the voice is not clear. It's very low.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, we'll start with the basic fundamental, then we go to the little understand who is Lord Chaitanya. How did that Lord Chaitanya avatara happen? So, Srila Prabhupada, once he gave a lecture, one of the lecture, he starts with a basic question, who is God? How do we believe in? Anybody can be God. They say like that. At least in India, at any given point of time, there are at least If not 50, 100 dozen Baba Bhagwans. Hey, they all claim to be God. Isn't it? Suppose if I tell, or Vijay Madhav tells today, I am the Prime Minister of India, how many of you believe it? Nobody will. They will tell him either you take him to, they will call his mother, tell him, your son is behaving little abnormally. Please take him to a psychiatrist or a mental hospital. Seem to be something wrong. If you go to the downtown and say, I'm the Prime Minister, I'm the Prime Minister. Either they will throw stone, or some may take a sympathy, they will take him to a hospital. Isn't it? Sure, no? Suppose I will show what the normal magician does, which I have done it, I will tell you. Well, there are two solutions now. Simple solution. I have to apply only here, one part, another part here. I'll give some introduction. I am God. I can do miracles. And in the course, I will just rub my hand. Because of two solutions, the ash falls. I have done it. One magician made me do it in Bangalore. He became a friend and he showed all the magician tricks. One of the trick is this. He made me do it and some ashes fell down. And there are always some people who will believe me I am God. For sure. If not thousands, at least some hundreds of people will follow me. They will believe I am God. Now there is God. And every year you get new God in India, especially in India. That is the most funniest part of India, and we are all very tolerant. Anyway. We are expert in manufacturing. Anyway, that's a different story. But now, whom do we believe? Who is God? Who is the real God? So Prabhupada says, he quotes from Vishnu Purana, Sri Parashara Muni, the father of Vyasadeva who compiled all the Shastra, his father Parashara Muni wrote Vishnu Purana. In that he gives a definition of God. So that is the yardstick. So what is that? He says, Aishwaryasya, Samagrasya, Viryasya, Yashashas Shriyaha, Jnana Vairagyashchaiva, Sanna Bhaga Itigna. Aishwaryasya. God is one who possesses naturally all the Aishwarya, all the opulent. Every year there is a review hota hai na, Forbes rich list. Somebody topples somebody, and he is no more a rich man in the world. Is somebody else has come. He is no more a rich man in Asia, like that. Every year there is different person who is the rich. But that even though he is the richest man, he can't claim that he has all the riches in the world. Can he? Nobody can claim in this world he has all the riches in the world. So, one of the first quality, guna, of the God is that He has all the riches, all opulent. Sarvaloka Maheshwar. Sarvaloka Maheshwar. He is the owner of everything. And he claims that he owns everything. All the time. Infinitely. Yes. Only God can tell. To give a small example, Krishna married 16,108 wives. Duly married. That's another story why he married 16,000. इधर एक बीवी का बहुत कष्ट होता है. हाँ? You can imagine. 16,108. See, in those days, in Varnashrama system was very strictly followed. If a girl goes out of the house for a day, one night, she will not be taken back. They will think that she is, that was very strictly followed. And there was a king who had captured 16,108 queens, princes, and captured and kept them. And for many years, few years he was there. So there was, Krishna went and killed him, and then he was released those princes and the queens. And then they said, requested Krishna, we have no other hope. Nobody will accept us in this world now. So we have no other shelter except your lotus feet. You are the God, you are the Lord, you can. Krishna said, okay, chalo. So he brought them to Dwaraka and got them married. And he built 16,108 palaces. And there were so many, each of them had a big palace. And from each queen, he got 10 sons, one daughter. And there was, all opulence was there. All Navaratnas, made of Navaratna pillars and everything. And what not and all. It was there. Anyway, that is his Aishwarya. To give a small example. I'll come to another one example later. That is more interesting little. And Virya is so powerful. He is very, very powerful. He is so powerful. When he was 7-month-old child, not even 7 months, 3-month-old child, Putana, a Rakshasi, came to kill him, but he sucked her life air and he promoted her to Vaikunta and gave her a position of a mother. Even though she came with the intention of killing Krishna, but Krishna, because coming in touch with Krishna, she got purified and Krishna killed her. She removed the soul from that body and promoted her to the Vaikunta life. Of course, if you take Krishna book, you will see so many leelas which he performed even before 10th year, 11th year, 7-year-old kid lifting the Govardhana at the little finger. Nobody can say this is a old grandma story, phantom story, because Govardhana is there. Even today, Govardhana is there. You can go and see. Nandagaon is there. Everything is there intact. Anyway, we'll come to that. So he has that. And Yashas is very successful, famous. He's the most famous. 5,000 years back he came and spoke Bhagavad Gita, and today all over the world people are talking about Bhagavad Gita, isn't? You and me, if we sit and write one book, how many people will read that? Or who will publish first of all? It will lie in my computer, but at best, Vijay Madhav's wife may, out of force, she may read something, even that. Mother, out of affection, she will read, अच्छा है बेटा, क्योंकि मदर तो माँ ही है, हमेशा वो माँ ही रहेगी, तो वो बोलेगा अच्छा है बेटा, she will encourage. But you see the Bhagavad Gita, it's all over the world. It's He's there. He's so famous. Everybody is worshipping. Everybody glorifies him. Shriya. He has unlimited. Shriya has got many other meanings. One of these is unlimited beauty. He is so beautiful. Krishna himself got bewildered. And that is our today's central point of discussion. We will come to that. He is so beautiful, enchanted. All the devatas want to see him. All the time they were coming with some pretext and they wanted to see him. And the gopis cursed Brahma, saying that Brahma, I don't know who gave you the intelligence. I mean, what is your intelligence? You put the eyeliner, what is this? Eyelids. Because of that, whenever I have to close and I lose the sight of Krishna. He is so beautiful, want to see him all the time, but it blinks. At least for that moment, I lose the sight of Krishna. You don't know creation, proper creation. I mean, that was the kind of gopi. I mean, he was so beautiful. People, it's very. Then gnana, knowledge. He has all the gnana. And he is the creator. He knows everything. He has all the gnana. Take, for example, Bhagavad Gita itself. That is the opulence of the knowledge. Krishna's opulence of knowledge exhibited in the form of Bhagavad Gita. And then Vairagya. In spite of having all these things, he has supreme Vairagya, renunciation. It is so difficult for us. You take a small child, she is so attached to toys. You try to take, they will cry. And after growing little, you get attached to different things. We are not ready to give up anything. Especially if you are rich, so much powerful and all that. Vairagya, renunciation is very the question of renunciation. But Krishna he has highest renunciation, Vairagya. He created this material for us and he left it. He said, enjoy this. And he left. He took birth, appeared in Mathura, stayed there for a few minutes till the Vasudeva Devaki offered prayers. He left Mathura, went to Nandagaon, Yashoda. He was there for till 13 years. He did all the Leela. He enchanted the Gokula Vasis, Yashoda, Nanda. He left. Came to Mathura back, killed Kamsa. He made the Ugrasena Raja, released Vasudeva and Devaki, his mother and father. He was there for a few days and then went on Vishya Parvatana. He was not attached to Mathura. Because there were a lot of demons were attacking, old demons were all there, they were attacking. Kamsa's friends, badla le rahe the na, अरे मेरा फ्रेंड को मार दिया कृष्णा, अभी हमको बदला लेना है. तो Krishna, there was always constantly attacked Mathura, so he took everybody and went to Dwaraka. In Dwaraka, he built a very big palaces and whatnot and all, and then even to this day it is there. And Dwaraka, he then became the king. He went around killing all the kings, but he then became everywhere he just established either the demon kings, whom he killed, his son ko, Raja Banaya. Yeah, he just left it. He was not at all attached. See, once you win over a king, that kingdom becomes yours. But he didn't, he just gave it to that son and then he went off. He never got attached to it. So there is a message. Just like I don't get attached to any place, any opulence, any circumstance. Similarly, you all don't get attached to all this material opulence. Just get attached to me. Not me, Krishna. Krishna, then your life will be successful. Anyway, coming to Vayu. So these 6 opulences, and the God possesses unlimitedly all the time. This is the test. This is the test. Now, anybody tells I am God, you have to ask him, do you have all the opulence? Do you have this? In Mahabharata, towards the end of Mahabharata, almost everything, Mahabharata war was over. Pandavas were established as the king of the universe, earthly planet. Everything was over. At that time, there was Arjuna's son Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu's wife is Uttare. Uttare was pregnant. So at that time, Ashwatthama, he had lost, everything was lost. Ashwatthama, what he did, he wanted to destroy the entire Kurukula, Pandava race. Badla lene ka tha. So he released Brahmastra, the Vedic time atom bomb. But it targets, the difference is atom bomb you just put, it destroys innocent, everybody. You had a problem, this 2 prime minister has a problem, so they will put a bomb. They won't, whether that, not only destroys the prime minister, it destroys the millions of people, innocent people, everybody is destroyed. But the Vedic Brahmastra was not like that. They target only that person will be, and it is millions of times powerful than the atom. Brahmastra it is the Brahmastra. It can destroy the entire universe in one shot. At the same time, it can destroy one person. It has both. So, this stupid Ashwatthama released Brahmastra without even knowing the greatness of Brahmastra on the womb of Uttare, and it went and it burned the embryo. She was seeing it is coming, and Krishna was about to leave for Dwarake after establishing Pandavas, and then immediately she said, Pahi Pahi Jagat Guru Deva Deva Jagatpat. She cried, Uttare went and cried, oh Jagat Guru, please save me. Jagatpati, please, Jagat Rakshaka, please save me, Krishna. Krishna said, what happened? Brahmastra is coming, I am feeling the heat, it has burnt my embryo. And Krishna entered the womb of Uttare. And there was charcoal embryo. Embryo has become charcoal, means burnt. That was Parikshit Maharaja, whom Bhagavatam was spoken by Shukadeva. So at that time, Krishna tells one Mahavakya. This is towards the end of Mahabharata. He took that opportunity, Krishna, to establish himself. There was a doubt on Krishna whether he is a supreme Lord or not. Many people were doubting. And aane wale peeli also, hamare liye. People doubt whether Krishna is the supreme Lord or not, whether he is the Sarvaloka Maheshwara or not. He enjoyed so many 108 wives, queens and gopis and all that. Is he not a Vishaya Lampati? So how do we believe him? And he was known as always jhoot bolta hai. Krishna is always, jhoot bolta hai. He was always stealing, है ना? अभी भी है ना माखन चोर, बोले हो कि उसको नाम ही माखन चोर बोल देते हैं. कृष्णा मतलब माखन चोर and whatever, and he always tells lies, this. So Krishna took that opportunity and he said, Yadi me brahmacharya syat, if I am a brahmachari, Krishna, he is establishing, declaring to the world, if I am a brahmachari, satyantamai tishtati, if I have always established myself in the satya, truthfulness, I am the satya, in fact. If I have always spoken the truth, whatever my behavior, everything, always truthful, I never stole anything. Yadi me satyam te mai tishnati. Tena mapam avapavyam mamaishwarya. If I am the supreme controller, supreme proprietor of the entire universe, Tena jivatu balaka. Let this balaka, this embryo, become alive. And he just touched. Parikshit was alive. This was the end of the Mahabharata. This is one of the Vakya of Mahabharata. So Krishna established this by, making the embryo alive again, and Parikshit Maharaj was born. This was towards the end. He removed the doubt that he is the Supreme Lord and he is the Supreme Proprietor and he is the truth, and he is the brahmachari, means he is the most chaste person. Even now we doubt. Anyway, that's a different story. That is very unfortunate. So this was established by Krishna. Now this is all said in the Shastra. Shastra says all the information is in the Shastra. Shastra shows who is our Father, who is God. It is pointing who is God. So they say, you want to know the Father, who is the best person to tell who is your Father? Mother. Mother knows who is the Father. And Veda Mata, Veda is considered the Mata, mother of knowledge. Veda Mata tells who is our Father, who is God. That's all right. There are so many Shastra in the world, so many scriptures are there. Everybody is saying, whom do we believe? Shastra is very vast. There are so many personalities, so many, gods are there. Who is the Supreme Lord? How do we believe? Whom do we consider? How do we get this knowledge? So, to get this knowledge, the most important thing, just like in your own life, either some of your doctors, engineers, or whatever, how did We got knowledge. We get our knowledge. Your children, they go to a authorized school, isn't it? I've seen in paper every year they come, some list comes. So and so engineering, this many engineering college not authorized. If you go to that engineering college and get a certificate, you will not get a job. Tata, those days, 25 years, 30 years back, had put a in their interview section, application, if you want to put for a job, Tata's ke liye, Tata Consultancy, they had put one line in the end. Students from MS Ramaya Engineering College need not apply. You know that? It may look funny. I'm from Bangalore, I'm saying this. MS Ramaya College was in Bangalore. And they had put that was this thing, even though it was authorized. They had put MS Ramaya students need not apply for. Anyway, that is just one side. This thing. The point is to study, to get a certified, this thing, you need to go to a bona fide, authorized school, college, and like that. Suppose I'm going to get an operation and I will ask the doctor, doctor, where did you, a major operation is going, where did you study it? Oh, don't worry, I have studied all the books. ब्रिटिश लाइब्रेरी में बैठ के घंटा भर बैठा हूं मैं, पूरा पढ़ा हूं, 5 साल पढ़ा हूं, डोंट वरी, आई नो एवरीथिंग. That's all right, very nice. Which college you passed out? You will ask, no, somebody go for a major operation, they will take 2-3 opinions, right? Hey, don't worry, I know everything. Would you go and give your heart to him? He's called quack. So, for an ordinary thing, only to this thing, we find out who is the doctor and properly studied and all that. There are always quacks are there. Anyway, so to receive a normal material knowledge, to become engineer, doctor, whatever, you have to, there is a process. You have to go to an authorized school and then do this, do this. And we are talking about the spiritual knowledge, the highest, who is God. Don't you think we need a authorized process? There should be an authorized process, right? There is an arrangement by God Himself that is called disciplic succession, Guru Shishya Parampara. So we receive knowledge from the Guru to Shishya, Guru to. So Krishna spoke this knowledge to Brahma, Brahma to Narada, Narada to Vyasa. In the chain of disciplic succession, it is coming down. It is handed on. It is called Avarohana Pantha, top to bottom. There is another process which is Aroha Pantha, going upwards, which is you have to find out. It is called Neti Neti process. Naiti. Not this, not this, not this. Oh, this is not the truth. Oh, I wasted 10 years trying to find out the truth. This is not the truth. Oh, then I again process. Again. You have no idea what is truth. You're reading all kinds of books. You're going to all kinds of people and everything. You're trying to find out from your own experience. And somebody says, He is God, I'm going to surrender to me, and then find out you get frustrated. No. That doesn't work. That anyway, that is Arohana. Avarohana, handing out from the top to bottom. It is easy. Now the mango season, isn't it? Mango means the tree is there and the top mango is there. You want to get a mango, what is the easiest way? Somebody goes up, picks the mango, hand it over the, and comes down, and it will come full fruit. Or take for example coconut. From the below you can't do anything to take the coconut. It's so tough. The guy goes up and then from top to bottom it is easy. So just to summarize, so God means he is called Bhagavan. Bhaga means Aishwarya, Van means one who possesses. So Shadaishwarya, there are 6 opulences. A God possesses 6 opulences all the time, unlimitedly. He is God. And it is not that you become God. It is not that one day I got 6 opulences. Nothing like that. He got all the opulences all the time. There is nothing like becoming God. God cannot become. There is no such thing as becoming God. If you are something becoming God means it is not, then you are not a God. Prabhupada used to call it, you don't become a God. If you say you are becoming God, you are becoming reverse of God. Instead of GOD, you are becoming DOG. If somebody says he became a God, that means he did not become God, he became God. Anyway, so God is always God. It is nothing like becoming. And there is no process in the entire creation where you do something, you become God. There is no such thing. You always remain a part and parcel of God. And you become, at best you can become is a lover of God, friend of God, lover of God, parent to the God, servant to the God, anything. These things are possible. Not, you can't become God. Anyway. So now, God means he must have all the experience, positive experience of the human being, what you and me go through, and much beyond. This is the definition. In philosophy, when you study, God means he must have all the experience of God, experience of the human being positively. I am suffering, not that God also suffers. We are all suffering from corona, girona, whatever, all that, so many things are happening. Tapatraya. Tapatraya means 3 types of miseries. One is from body, mind, another is from the neighbors, and other living entities, other from the nature. This tapatraya is always there. We experience that. God does not experience that. But you have happiness, joy, bhaya also. Huh? The positive experiences you have, a human being has, God has all that and much beyond. God means complete, Purna. In a circle, Purna means circle. You take one point, then it is not a complete circle. One point out, then it doesn't become a full circle. You will say there is a gap. In other words, there is a lacuna. God is Purna. Purna midam, Purna madam. Purna, Purna mudachyate. God is complete. He has complete experience of everything and beyond. And that beyond, we cannot experience. That is only meant for God. Certain things we experience. And along with God, we can experience. But not independent. God means Purna. So Purna, when it comes, he must have the experience of, if God is being God, he has experience of being God, being the proprietor, being that, being owner of everything. But if he does not have the experience of being the devotee of God, then that is a lacuna. Then that is like one point removed from the circle. Both है इधर, एक दो है इधर. So to experience what the devotee experiences by loving me, by serving me, God must also experience that at the same time. Even though he is Sarvaloka Maheshwara, even though he is the supreme proprietor of everything, he also has the experience of being a devotee. And we can never match that, his devotion. We talk of Dashavatara from the Shastra, very famous. You all know Dashavatara. Matsya Kurma, Varaha, Vamana, Narasimha, Rama, 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 Kalki, Buddha. Dashavatara. Unlimited avatars are there, which you can't even count. Bhagavatam says, like a pebbles in the sand in the ocean. Can you count? Even take one mushti, ask how many sand particles are there. You can't count. It's impossible. Unlimited. Like that, the Lord, he has got different, so many forms, so many. So major we have taken is Dashavatara. Matsya. He came as Matsya Avatara. समुद्र में आ गया. आगे पीछे उसका कोई नहीं था. He did not have the experience of anything. He was the Supreme Lord. He came and escorted Satyavrata Muni, and anyway, that is the whole story is there. 8th canto Bhagavatam, somebody wants to read, you can read. 9th canto. Matsya Avatara. Next he became Kurma. They were Manthan kar raha tha. So they say Lord had a, when we get a each, nowadays there is a scale, something comes, we get each. Or we ask somebody to, भगवान को भी थोड़ा ऐसा हुआ. He became a Kurma and they were मंथन कर रहा था, उसका नीचे रखे, उसका ऊपर रखे. So he became Kurma. And again, there is no experience of being a friend, being a lover, being a mother, father, being a son. Nothing. Opulence थोड़ा दिखा के चला गया. मत्स्य कूर्मा. In Varaha also, he just came from Brahma's nostril. Brahma's nostril से छोटा Varaha आया, इतना बड़ा हो गया. हिरण्याक्ष को वधा करके चला गया. Again, he showed the opulence of his power. His power, how powerful he is. He showed that. Next came Narasimha. Narasimha, he appeared from the Kamba. Kamba is an Nirjiva. Lord appeared. Neither Lord has the feeling towards Kamba, neither Kamba has feeling towards the Lord. He just appeared. And he showed the opulence of Krodha. Hiranyakashipu, ye karke. At that time, to pacify him, Prahlada came. Sri Prahlada came with a garland and then he looked at him and he took him on the lap. Narasimha took him on the lap. In one eye, he has so much anger towards Hiranyakashipu because of troubling his devotee Prahlada, who is just 5-year-old boy, who is happened to be son also. At one eye, he is having such a loving affection towards Prahlada. Can you imagine? One eye loving affection, one eye Krodha. Not possible. But Bhagavatam explains that. He caresake smelled Prahlad. He felt so happy. Prahlad was so happy, jubilant. And Vatsalya Rasa was exchanged. Then the Acharyas have explained. At that time, Narasimha Dev ko ek thought hua. One thought came. अरे मेरे प्रीवियस जन्म में कोई नहीं था मेरे को ऐसा करने वाला वात्सल्य रसा. I missed being, experience that वात्सल्य रसा. नेक्स्ट शेड्यूल में माँ बाप को लेके आता हूँ. So he came as Vamana, Chota Vaman. Then he became Trivikrama. He went to Bali Maharaja. But it was very short period. The Leela was very short period. Kashyapa and Aditi, they worshipped, and then ऐसे ही पैदा हुआ, ऐसे ही पटा चला गया. बलि महाराज के पास गया और लीला करके त्रिविक्रम, he became Trivikrama and then went off. थोड़ा कुछ वात्सल्य रस मिला. Then became Parashurama. वो थोड़ा माँ बाप का थोड़ा ज्यादा ही मिला, और उसमें क्रोध आता. बाद में आया श्री राम, उसमें थोड़ा अच्छे से ही मिला. बाद में सीता देवी का फ्रेंडशिप मिला थोड़ा. सुग्रीवा, हनुमान तो सेवक बन गया, सुग्रीवा तो भी ये बन गया. फिर भी देयर वाज साक्य रसा वाज लैकिंग. There are 5 primary rasas which God can have: Madhurya, Vatsalya, Sakya, Dasya, Shanta. Shanta is very neutral. Dasya is activity. You do service. And still higher is this Sakya, friendship. You become friend. And there is equality. Then became Vatsalya. You have a parents, they love and all that service. They treat you as son, and you treat them as parents, and very loving exchange goes on. Then comes Madhurya, where he has a gopis, Radharani, like that. So then Rama he became, but still there was a lacuna. Then he came as Krishna. In Krishna Avatara is called complete Purna Avatara because he experienced all the rasas. All rasas he experienced. And he exhibited all the opulence. Aishwarasya, Samagrasya, Vidyasya, Yashasya. Everything he experienced. Everything was Bandar khol diya. Sabko dikhaya. I am God. The person who loved him most was Radharani. There he got another thought, Krishna. One day, Krishna saw his own form in the jeweled pillar. It was shining, and he got stunned. Himself got stunned, looking at his own form. Beauty. He has never seen himself. He saw, and then he saw what a beauty it is. At that time he felt, now I understand why Radharani is so attracted to me. If I want to experience like Radharani, what I should do? What is in me, that beauty, but she is relishing? And what is her love, which is also attracting me? What is she experiencing? And when we meet loving exchange, how is she experiencing? What is the intensity, nature of that, her love towards me? And what is the beauty of me which she is attracted? I want to release that beauty in me. How to, what is that? And when she experiences the rasa, that Madhurya rasa, what is that? What is the intensity, depth of that rasa? What is the nature of that? So there was no other way for Krishna to take up the mood of Radharani. So he has to take up the mood of Radharani. And when he took up the Radharani mood, try to experience, try to love the, the loving exchange. And that is the form. This is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There were 4 reasons, 3 internal reasons for Krishna to appear as Lord Chaitanya, Antaranga Karana, that is to experience that love which Radharani experiences, and the nature of that love, and the beauty of his own, which is there, which Radharani relishes and gets attracted. The whole world is get attracted. What is that beauty? What is that guna in me which is attracting the whole world? And Radharani. And when we meet, the loving exchange takes place. And what is that? What is that she is experiencing? What is the nature of her love towards me? And for these 3 reasons he took, and another reason he took was, that is 3 internal reasons. And the external reason is to liberate, to give an opportunity all the living entities to go back home, back to Godhead. Because we are part and, by nature, we are part and parcel of Krishna. Mamai Vamsha Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. We are part and parcel of Krishna. Our constitutional position is to go back to Krishna. And to give that method, each yuga he descends to give a method. And in Kali Yuga, Krishna came as Lord Chaitanya to give the process how and teach us how to perform bhakti to Krishna. It is like a teacher holding the student's hand, a pencil, and writing A, B, C, D. It is not the teacher who doesn't know. She is teaching. At the same time, so here Krishna came in a devotee form as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, taking the mood of Srimati Radharani, trying to experience that, at the same time to give the process for Kali Yuga, that is most simple process, that is repeating the holy name of Krishna. Harir Nama, Harir Nama, Harir Nama, Eva Kevalam Kalo Nasteva, Nasteva, Nasteva Gati. By repeating the holy name of Krishna, one can get in touch with Krishna and go back and purify ourselves. So Krishna came as Lord Chaitanya to give this holy name. Now, question is, Krishna does avatar. This is called avatar, incarnation. When he does the incarnation, who is benefited? Who is benefited when God descends? Who is most benefited?
Devotees, people in general.
Even God.
I'll give you an example. There was a kid. And kid that was her birthday. Small. Take Lavanya. She is not coming. Birthday. That day, mother has given her bath nicely. Put a nice resham ka kapda dala hai. And mother has also dressed very nicely. She has also put on a lot of ornaments. Not every day we put ornaments. That day, all the ornaments from the figure. And the mother has decorated the kid also nicely, put all this thing. And mother herself is cooking the best dishes, whatever she likes, the kid likes. And she is cooking in the kitchen. And there, the big house, she is cooking. Outside the house, there is a tank. water tank. There is a water tank where a kid can drown. For us, it may come up to the knee level, but for a kid, it may drown. It's a small tank, water. And the kid wanted to play the ball. He is given the ball. Color ball is there. That's her favorite ball, and she is playing with that. A mother has told, "Be careful, beta. वो tank के पास मत जाना." Still is playing, but mother has got one eye on kid in another place. She is cooking, and but she has kept one eye on this kid while playing ball that was bouncing, and went into the tank. Now it went into the tank, and mother became busy in cooking, and she remembers, be careful with the, don't go to the tank and all. It's the water is there. Anyway, so she goes and folds her lehenga, and she is tapping the water so that the ball comes and she'll pick up. And it was coming, but urgency, somehow she went to pick up, fell down in the tank. And the आवाज आया, माँ आवाज आया. Immediately mother left everything. She went and she immediately jumped and then took the kid away. And then brought. Kid is not so conscious. Now tell me, who had the who got benefited from this entire thing? Kid or mother?
Kid got saved.
Kid got saved, but she doesn't even know. So, even though she was wearing Resham Kavastra, opulent, everything, nothing she cared. She went and jumped into the water and took the kid out, and then trying to bring back the kid. So, the Lord, the Vaikunthanatha, he has got so much of opulence. There the Lakshmi Shata Sambrama Sevyamanam. Thousands of Lakshmis are waiting to serve him. Aage piche, kidhar bhi. And the famous, Radharani herself is there. But still, Krishna comes because we want to enjoy this material world. The color ball is different enjoyment in this material world, sense enjoyment. This is the samsara. The tank is samsara, bhavasagara. So we want to enjoy, and we forget for a moment in the enjoyment God, just like she forgot the mother, the instruction and everything. Similarly, we also forgotten our relationship with God, and we have come down, and we are trying to enjoy this material world. And there are so many allurements, we got stuck. So, Vedanta Sutra informs us, the Shastra, in creating this material world, there is no, you can take this actually. In creating this material world, there is no benefit for the Lord. That is the Purva Paksha. Opponent's theory. Na prayojana. The Vedanta Sutra says, na prayojana. There is no prayojana in creating this material world for the God. There is no prayojana. But The next sutra says, answers, no, Vyasadeva himself says, don't say there is no prayojana. There is a prayojana. Next sutra, Vyasadeva himself says, it is the opinion of the many people that there is no benefit for the God in creating this material world, but that is an opponent position. It is the Purva Paksha. But the real benefit is, next line, Vyasadeva writes, Lokavat Leela Kaivalyam. In this loka, there is a prayojana for the God. What is that? It is the Leela Kaivalyam. Kevala Leela. To perform the Leela, he has created this material world. What kind of a Leela he performing? It is the barbaric Leela. Is he happy that we are all suffering in this material world? Many people ask, what did God got by this corona? We are all suffering. Everywhere they are asking, where is God? God is there. Why this corona is there? Is he enjoying that we are suffering? Paradukka Sukhi. No. Then the Acharyas say, the intended meaning is, Lokavatu Leela Kailam. To perform Leela only he has come. This material world is for the Leela, to perform Leela. But this Leela is Karunya Leela. Intended meaning is Lokavatu Karunya Leela. To perform Karuna Leela. Karunya Leela. To retrieve all the souls back to him, back to the Vaikuntha. Yes, he comes regularly. He created this material world. He comes and he sends his messengers and he gives the process by which you can go back to him and perform his eternal Leela. And the epitome of this Karunya, every Leela he performs, it is out of Karunya. Narasimha to Karuna, because of Karuna only he comes. Prahlad. Karuna is Leela means Karuna. And the epitome, the highest Leela, Karunya Leela he performed is in Chaitanya Leela. In this Leela, he is not killing anybody. In all the Leelas, he has to kill somebody. Then only he can protect the devotees, his obedient souls. But in this Leela, it is Sampurna Karunya. In this, there is no killing. There is no bloodshed. There is no killing. There is completely change of heart. That's all. By repeating the holy name of Krishna, he transforms your heart, purifies your heart, purifies your intelligence, and develop love for him, which is already there in you, in everybody. But is in the sleeping stage. Only thing, it has to be reawakened. How do you awaken a sleeping person? By writing a neon lights, 5 a.m. get up and it is blinking. Tong, tong. Does it work? There were husband and wife once, they had a quarrel. Husband has to go one day for an urgent meeting to Delhi from Bombay. He has to catch up the flight at 6 o'clock. So what he did is, he wrote a note. Please wake me up at 4 o'clock. Tomorrow meeting is there, I have to go to Delhi, please wake me up. Note chhod diya wife ko. Then he got up, he missed the flight because it was already 6 o'clock. He got angry, he went to the wife, I told you, I showed you, note. She showed another note. Please wake up, it's 4 o'clock. Because they were not speaking. She wrote another note. It is 4 o'clock, wake up. So the thing is, for a sleeping soul, how do you wake him up? That is why we keep alarm, no? now मोबाइल में अलार्म आते हैं, नहीं तो टाइम पीस था, वो तो ब्रह्मांडा साउंड करता था, सब लोग उड़ जाते. So alarm मतलब sound, with the sound vibration one will wake up. So we are all sleeping souls, and if Krishna has to come and kill demons, the whole demons are all within us. There is a famous saying, in Satya Yuga, there are 4 yugas, Satya, Treta, Dwapara, Kali. In Satya Yuga, the demons were all interplanetary. In Treta Yuga, in the same planet but inter countries, different countries. In Dwapara Yuga, in the same family. In Kali Yuga, within ourselves. There is a very good cartoon. There is a cartoon. That guy puts on all the arms, everything, helmet, gilmet, everything, and the war shoe, war dress, everything, takes the machine gun, loaded everything, and he goes out and comes back. He says, I'm going to kill the enemies. And then after some time he comes back as it is. Then the wife asks, what happened? You come as it is. I found the enemies. They are all within me. This was the famous cartoon, you know. So, if Krishna has to remove the demon, within us, he has to practically kill all of us. Then what is the point? So Krishna is very, 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 very kind. So he came as Lord Chaitanya and he gave this process called chanting the holy name of Krishna. By repeating the holy name of Krishna, the demonness in us gets purified, So people are doing so many people are actually, they know they are committing sinful activities, they know they are getting sins. That is why they do a lot of punya karmas. They go to Tirtha Yatra. Now Kumbh Mela chal raha hai na, जाके डुबकी मार के आता है. Correct. डुबकी मारा गंगा में, पाप तो हो गया, पाप तो चला गया. But there is no guarantee after coming out you will not do the again papa. Then you have to be in the Ganga only all the time. It's not possible. Some people do ratha. Some people do different rathas, tapas, so many things they do. Charity. गोदान करता है, भूदान करता है, ब्राह्मण को बुलाते है, उसको दान देता है. Different yaga, yagnas, they keep doing it. No doubt that the papa karma goes, but again it will come back. The reason is the tendency to do the papa, sinful activity, the vasana, the desire, will not go from our heart. It is deep rooted. No matter how many tirtha yatra you do, no matter how many dubki you maro, no matter how many yagnas you do, no matter how many vratas you do, how many fastings you do, no matter which god you worship, you do whatever you want. The tendency to do the papa, that is the one desire, the desire which is instigating you to do the sinful activities. Without your knowledge also, it is you are doing it, that is will not go until unless you do the bhakti. Only by bhakti, the desire to do, the deep rooted, that will go tendency. Once it is gone, then you are completely purified, then there is no more sinfulness. Bhakti means, bhakti is a Vedic terminology. Bhakti karo, bhakti karo. ये भक्ति होता है क्या है? I used to wonder this. You should do bhakti. ये भक्ति होता है क्या? तो हमारा लैंग्वेज में बोलना है simplest three. भगवत प्रेम करो. This we can understand. Love Krishna, loving God. So, with the simplest method to love God, the loving God nature is already there in our heart. It is only in the sleeping stage. It has to be reawakened and establish our lost relationship with Krishna. And that is in Kali Yuga, it is possible simply by chanting, repeating the holy name of Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. So by repeating this holy name every day, and this desire, the tendency is there, deep rooted, that will vanish, and you get purified. Then with purified intelligence, you develop love for Krishna. That loving nature, it will punaruttana. Nitya siddha Krishna prema sadhya kabunaya shravanadi shuddha chitte karaya uday. It is already there, just like the walking ability is there in the child. After some time, it starts walking. Similarly, this prema is there, but it is distributed now. Different ways. The real prema is covered. The false prema is distributed all over the world in different ways. Friendship, society. If nothing is there, we keep a dog or a cat. We show our love. In fact, we bequeath our property to the dog to that an extent. Anyway, that's a different story. So, to develop the real love of Krishna, which is already there, so Shravanadi Shuddha Chitta, with the purified mind, or you repeat the holy name, your mind will be purified, and then the love of God you will get. And to give that, which is the original position of the Jiva, to love Krishna, and to give that, Lord Krishna came as devotee form and teach us how to perform bhakti by inaugurating the Sankirtan movement, which is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Iti Shodashakaranam Kali Kalmashanashanam Nato Paropa Upaya Sarvavedeshu Dushyate. This 16-syllable holy name, Iti Shodashanamnam Kali Kalmasha. What happens when you chant Kali Kalmashanashanam? All the kalmashas, all the contamination in our heart, it will nash karega, it will vanish. Is there any other better upaya other than this? It says Sarva Vedeshu Drushyate. Even if you look into back to back front Veda, there is no better method other than chanting this holy name of Krishna. This is the verdict of the Upanishad and Shastra. So, for 5 minutes, all of us, because it is the advent of Lord Chaitanya, he came to inaugurate Sankirtana. We repeat this holy name in congregation. Sankirtana means chanting the holy name in congregation. So let us chant for a few minutes, 5 minutes. No, japa. It should be loud enough so that you can hear your own voice, your own sound. The method is sit. You don't have to imagine. You don't have to imagine Krishna's form in front. If you're standing in front of Krishna, that is okay. You don't have to imagine or anything. Nothing. There is no imagination here. You just concentrate everything, your mind, heart, everything on the sound vibration you create. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. 32 syllables in this. Every akshara you concentrate and hear. And that is the method. So let us chant for some time, and then if time permits, it will permit, we will take question answer session or comments. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktananda. Together we will chant and we hear our voice. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna.
Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda. Any comments, any questions?
Move this so that you can hear.
Prabhuji, I wanted to ask, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Just a very small query. Any difference between Veda and Shastra, just to understand, or is it the same?
Entire Veda is one part. There
Okay.
are 4 Vedas, and each Veda has got 4 parts: Brahmana, Aranyaka, Upanishad, and Samhita. And then there is Upanishad got 108. Then there are Mahabharata, Ramayana. Then there are 18 Puranas and Upapuranas and the Pancharatra Agamas. The entire vast of this entire thing is called Shastra.
Okay. Okay.
And when you say Shastra, it comprises of all these things. When you break into it, and then when you go specification, when you specify which part of Shastra, then you say it is in Rig Veda, it is in Mahabharata, it is in Bhagavad Purana, it is in Bhagavad Gita, like this thing.
Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare.
So when Lord Krishna, he already came and gave Bhagavad Gita. That was his Karunya Leela for all of us, for the benefit of all of us. So why he has to again come as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? We understood the internal reason. The external reason, if it's mercy, then Krishna is already.
Krishna came and spoke Bhagavad Gita. The end of the Bhagavad Gita, essence of Bhagavad Gita is Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Raja Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Mokshayishyami Ma Shucha. He said, just surrender unto me. I will protect you from all sinful reactions. He said that. But there was a demand, prerequisite qualification. You surrender unto me. And how to surrender? That's shown by Krishna. The same thing, the process of surrender, which is made possible, made it easy in Kali Yuga, how to surrender? By repeating, start from chanting the holy name of Krishna. To understand Krishna, na bhaved grahyam indriyai, atha Shri Krishna namadi na bhaved grahyam indriyai, sevonmukhi jivado swayameva spuratyada. You can't understand Krishna. To understand Krishna, it is not possible with blunt material senses. But if you do 2 things, one thing only, but 2 activities in one, that is Sevon Mukhe Jivado. You start doing service through Jihva, through the tongue. Swayameva Spuratyada. Swayameva means it will be self-revealed. It will be revealed by itself. Entire Nama, Guna, the opulence of Krishna, the knowledge about Krishna. That is, by tongue you can do 2 things. One is subtle, one is gross. Gross, you can produce song. That is repeating the holy name of Krishna. Another is nice Krishna Prasadam. There is a multi-crore prasadam is being done here. I will show you in the camera. You get satisfied. I can't help it. Otherwise, you take quickly Ola or Uber and come here. It is, you can release Krishna Prasadam, the subtle taste. So by doing this, surrender. And when you, to know about Krishna, you surrender. How do you surrender? By doing this. Start with Jiva. So even though Krishna came, but where did he give this Bhagavad Gita? It is Karuna only, but in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. But for that he has to kill so many. Even though they were all killed in front of Krishna, because they died in presence of Krishna, they all got liberation. So when Lord Chaitanya came, he did not kill anybody. His process is to kill the demoniac mentality and thereby remove all the sinful reaction and sin and the tendency to do the sin itself, and then re-establish our connection with Krishna. Hare. Anybody else? Anything?
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, I just wanted to confirm, in the battlefield, everybody heard the Bhagavad Gita, whoever, all the soldiers from both the sides, or only Arjuna?
Only few. Arjuna, Hanuman was sitting in the Janda flag. Bhishma, Drona, Devatas, Rushigana, Sanjaya, Dhritarashtra. So very few only heard. Not everybody.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
1 second.
In one of the purpose, Prabhupada is writing that the discussion was exchanged in presence of everyone. So, therefore, it is understood that this knowledge is meant for everyone. Because it was exchanged.
The knowledge is meant for everyone. It was in the assembly of everybody. It was no doubt. But it was specifically spoken to Raja Rishi, Arjuna. It was heard by few and understood by few. But it is meant for everybody.
अपना धर्म और कर्तव्य इन दोनों में क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्या पहले करना चाहिए, धर्म और कर्तव्य?
अलग अलग धर्म कर्तव्य होता है. धर्म और कर्तव्य आप बोल रहे हैं. धर्म इज गिवन बाय गॉड. धर्मम तो साक्षात भगवत प्रणीतम. इट इज गिवन बाय गॉड. धर्म इज दैट विच इज इंट्रिंसिक क्वालिटी. वो ऐसा क्वालिटी है, उसको वो चीज से आप आप अलग नहीं कर सकते. अभी मैंगो है, मैंगो जूस, उसका मैंगो रस है ना, उसका टेस्ट और वो जो भी है अलग करने को प्रयास कर सकते. फायर, उसका इंट्रिंसिक क्वालिटी है हीट एंड लाइट, अलग कर नहीं सकते. शुगर, उसका इंट्रिंसिक क्वालिटी भी है टू बी स्वीट, उसको अलग नहीं कर सकते. वो intrinsic quality of the jiva is to surrender to Krishna and love him and dharma. So jivara swarupa hai Krishna nityadas. It is the servant, to be servant of Krishna. That is the pratama dharma, to love Krishna and follow that. What Krishna said. Kartavya is man-made. That can be changed. My kartavya can be changed according to my own ishta and anishta. I like to do this and that is my kartavya. This kartavya duty, you can create your own duty priorities. For somebody, serving the nation is priority. For somebody, serving the parents is priority. For somebody, something else is priority, wife and children, like that. It's a normal, simple duty. The duty can be created by you and me. According to our own position, time, place, circumstance, it will change. And that is not the highest. And there is no guarantee in that kartavya, you won't get sinful reaction. For every activity, there is equal and opposite reaction. There is something called karma, akarma, vikarma. In Bhagavad Gita, he discusses. Karma is the simple karma, what you are saying, kartavya. In that, it can be good or bad. But that karma will bound you to this material world, to this samsara. Even if you do good karma, to enjoy that, you have to come to this material only. And you have to take up this body. And there is no guarantee that you will not commit sinful activity in this body. There is no guarantee. Being a MP son, he has done that karma. He became a MP son. Mercedes Benz hai, both Amir hai, both hai. But there is no guarantee that he will not perform sinful activity. that can bound you. Whether you do good karma or bad karma, you have to come back. That is karma. And there is vikarma, vikruta karma. That is abominable activities like killing, eating dead animals, killing dead animals and eating. Abominable, that are rejected, opposite of the Vedas, dharma. Those activities which are opposite of dharma, prescribed duty, and that for that you have to suffer, either here or hell. And there is a akarma, where there is no reaction to this karma. That is spiritual activity. That activity will take you to Krishna. No more karma, no more kartavya, no more this dvandva, duality, which is the kartavya. You don't have to worry about that. It will take you to Krishna, and then that's the end of your kartavya. Vikarma is also not there, karma is also not there. Prabhupada says, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, mat karma kut mat paramo, mat bhakta sangavarjita. Don't do good activity, don't do bad activity. Then what do you do? Just do kartavya to me. So I will remove you from all reactions of all kinds of activity. I will protect you and then take you back to God. That is the highest karma, highest kartavya, to love Krishna and go back to Him. All other kartavya in this material world is all temporary, and it will change. And it will bound you to this material world again. There is no. Hare Krishna. Vedanta Sutra. 555 Vedanta Sutra. Vyasadeva compiled everything, all the 4 Vedas, Upanishad, Purana, Mahabharata. In that Bhagavad Gita was also there. Then after Vedas, everything was compiled, 4 Vedas. In a gist, the Sara, he did it in 555 sutras called Vedanta Sutra. That one of the sutra is Na Prayojana, and the next sutra is Lokavataki Leela Kaivalya. I don't know the Adhikarana. Either it can come in second Adhikarana mostly. There are 4 Adhikaranas, isn't it? And in that second Adhikarana or first Adhikarana itself, it comes. I think it comes in first only. Starts with Janmadasya Yataha, Atato Brahma Jignasa, Janmadasya Yataha, then what else? It goes on like that. Shastra Yonitvat, third sutra. So like that. Right.
We end with the shopkeeper.
Again, we already have Kirtan, we already had chanted. I don't know. You can show the prasadam.
Yes.
Srimad Shri Radha Raj Bihari ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Nitai Gauranga ki jai, Jai Gaur Sitanath Premanande Hari.
His Grace Seva Tulya Prabhu ki jai. Want to do the announcement? Hare Krishna. So, we thank His Grace Seva Tulya Prabhu for such a wonderful class, preparing our consciousness for the upcoming festival of Gaur Purnima that is there next Sunday, the 28th of March. So, requesting all of you all to, if possible, come to temple on Gaur Purnima. I'm not sure of how the situation is going to be looking at the COVID situation in Mumbai. But if the opportunity is there, you can please try and come to temple on Sunday, 28th March, and please take darshan. In the evening specifically, there will be Abhishek of Shri Gaur Nitai. So all of you are please welcome to come there. In case it's not possible, you can also join the festival celebrations online. So looking forward to all of you all next Sunday, 28th March. And yes, thank you all very much for joining. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prem teacher, bolo.
Thank you for arranging this lecture.
Before-
Thank you so
before you all
much.
go,
Hare Krishna.
We can
Thank
play
you.
all the program arrangements and prasadam here.
Hare Krishna.
Oh, really?
Hare Krishna.
I have come to
Just 1 minute. Even.
Now we will miss all this.
Now, you have to label every item. We can't understand what is. Everything looks yellow and brown. So you have to label
Jai
it.
Shri
Oh,
Ram.
wow.
Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Ah, bolo.
All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna,
Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
Dandavat Pranam. Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna.
Thank you.